There are cocktails that come and go with trends, and then there are cocktails that become icons. The Cosmopolitan is one of those icons. A drink that perfectly balances citrus, crisp vodka, and the unmistakable ruby glow of cranberry. Smooth, refreshing, and effortlessly elegant, the Cosmopolitan has earned its place as one of the most recognizable cocktails in the world. But when you're hosting your friends, celebrating a special occasion, or simply relaxing with a good company, mixing one drink at a time isn't always the best way to keep the conversation flowing. That's where the Cosmopolitan Pitcher comes in. Instead of standing behind the bar all evening, this batch version lets you prepare a full round ahead of time so everyone can enjoy the same perfectly balanced cocktail together. In this recipe, we'll keep the classic Cosmopolitan flavor profile exactly where it should be. Clean vodka, bright orange liqueur, fresh lime juice, and just enough cranberry to give the drink its signature color and gentle tartness. When pouring over ice and stirring together in a chilled pitcher, these simple ingredients transform into a vibrant cocktail that's both refreshing and beautifully smooth. What makes this pitcher version special is the way it allows the flavors to meld together while chilling. The citrus becomes brighter, the cranberry softens slightly, and the drink develops that unmistakable cosmopolitan character that feels both crisp and luxurious. It's the perfect cocktail for dinner parties, holiday gatherings, celebrations, or any evening where you want something a little more refined without adding extra work. Serve in chilled martini glasses with a twist of lime or a delicate citrus garnish. The Cosmopolitan Pitcher delivers everything you love about the cocktail, just scaled up for sharing. The color is striking, the aroma is fresh and citrusy, and every sip carries that clean balance of sweet, tart, and smooth. So whether you're hosting friends, planning a cocktail night, or simply want a sophisticated drink ready to pour, this Cosmopolitan Pitcher brings classic cocktail elegance to the table with ease. Let's build it. Begin by gathering everything needed for the Cosmopolitan Pitcher. Arrange the vodka, the orange liqueur, the cranberry juice, and fresh limes on the counter, along with the pitcher, measuring cups, and bar tools. Having everything organized and within reach makes the process smooth and keeps the flavors measured accurately from the start. Cut the fresh limes in half. Fresh citrus is essential for the proper Cosmopolitan because it provides a bright acidity that balances the sweetness of the cranberry and the smoothness of the vodka. Juice the limes and collect the juice in a measuring cup. Fresh lime juice gives the cocktail its crisp citrus backbone and prevents the drink from tasting overly sweet. Measure the vodka into a measuring cup. Vodka forms the clean base of the cocktail and carries the citrus and cranberry flavors while keeping the drink light and refreshing. Measure the orange liqueur into a separate measuring cup. This ingredient contributes a subtle sweetness and a gentle orange aroma that gives the Cosmopolitan its recognizable flavor profile. Measure the cranberry juice. Cranberry provides the vibrant color and the light tart fruit note that defines the character of the cocktail. Place an empty pitcher on the counter so it's ready for building the drink. Starting with an empty pitcher ensures each ingredient can be added in the proper order. Fill the pitcher with fresh ice. The ice chills the cocktail quickly and helps bring all of the ingredients together once they're mixed. Pour the measured vodka over the ice in the pitcher. As the vodka hits the ice, it begins chilling immediately and forms a clean alcoholic base for the cocktail. Add the measured orange liqueur to the pitcher. The citrus notes blend with the vodka and begin building the layer of flavor that makes the Cosmopolitan so balanced. Pour the fresh lime juice into the mixture. The acidity brightens the drink and brings a refreshing citrus sharpness that balances the sweetness of the other ingredients. Add the cranberry juice to the pitcher. As it mixes with the other liquids, the cocktail develops its signature pink color and fruity aroma. Stir the mixture gently with a long bar spoon. This combines the ingredients evenly while chilling the drink thoroughly without over diluting it. Allow the cocktail to settle briefly so the mixture becomes fully chilled. Condensation begins to form on the outside of the pitcher, indicating the drink is properly cooled. Add lime wheels to the pitcher if desired. The slices provide a subtle citrus aroma and add visual brightness to the cocktail. Prepare chilled martini glasses. Serving the Cosmopolitan in cold glasses keeps the drink crisp and refreshing. Pour the cocktail from the pitcher into the first martini glass. The smooth pink mixture fills the glass while maintaining its bright citrus aroma. Fill the remaining glasses with the Cosmopolitan mixture so that each serving has the same balanced flavor. Garnish each glass with a lime twist or a lime wheel. The garnish adds a hint of fresh citrus fragrance and enhances the drink. Serve up the cocktail immediately. If the drink is not served immediately, cover the pitcher. This keeps the cocktail fresh and prevents unwanted flavors from entering the mixture. Place the covered pitcher in the refrigerator. Chilling the mixture allows the flavors to settle together while keeping the drink ready for serving. When ready to serve again, remove the pitcher from the refrigerator and give the cocktail a gentle stir to reblend the ingredients. For an extra cold batch, place the pitcher in the freezer for a short time. This lowers the temperature of the cocktail quickly. Remove the pitcher before the drink begins to freeze solid. The mixture should be extremely cold but still fully liquid. Stir the cocktail once more to ensure the ingredients remain evenly blended after the deep chill. Before serving again, give the pitcher another quick stir. This refreshes the mixture and redistributes the chilled ingredients. Pour the Cosmopolitan into freshly chilled martini glasses. The drink remains bright, crisp, and balanced. Add a fresh garnish and present the cocktail. The final result is a beautiful, chilled Cosmopolitan with vibrant citrus aroma and smooth cranberry finish. Ready to enjoy. And as usual, we have the bartender notes. The Cosmopolitan is one of those cocktails that looks simple on the surface, but really shine when the balance is right. The key to a great Cosmopolitan pitcher is keeping the drink bright, crisp, and refreshing without letting any one ingredient dominate. Vodka provides the clean base. Orange liqueur adds subtle sweetness and citrus depth. Fresh lime juice brings the acidity that keeps the drink lively, and the cranberry juice ties everything together with color and a gentle tart fruit note. One of the most important details in this recipe is using fresh lime juice rather than bottled. Fresh citrus gives the cocktail a brighter aroma and a much cleaner finish. Bottled juice can sometimes taste dull or slightly bitter, which can flatten the overall flavor of the drink. When batching cocktails in a pitcher, measuring accurately is essential because multiple servings are combined together. Even small measurement differences can become noticeable in the final drink. Using measuring cups or a jigger keeps the flavor consistent and ensures every glass tastes exactly the way a Cosmopolitan should. Another important detail is the type of cranberry juice used. Pure cranberry juice can be extremely tart, While cranberry cocktail is sweeter and more balanced for cocktails, most cosmopolitans use cranberry cocktail because it delivers a signature pink color while keeping the drink smooth and drinkable. Ice plays an important role in pitcher cocktails. Filling the pitcher with fresh ice helps chill the drink quickly while slightly diluting it to proper strength. That small amount of dilution softens the alcohol and allows the citrus and fruit flavors to come forward. If the cocktail will sit for a while, it's a good idea to add fresh ice when serving so the drink doesn't become overly diluted. If you're preparing the pitcher ahead of time for a gathering, the cocktail can be mixed and stored in the refrigerator. Chilling the mixture actually helps the flavors settle together and create a smoother drink when poured later. Just remember to give the pitcher a gentle stir before serving it again so the ingredients remain evenly blended. Presentation is also what makes a Cosmopolitan special. Traditionally, it's served in martini glasses, which highlight the drink's pink, vibrant color and elegant appearance. A lime twist or lime wheel garnish adds a fresh citrus aroma that becomes a classic look. For larger gatherings, this pitcher recipe can easily be doubled or tripled because the ingredients are simple and consistent. Scaling the recipe up keeps the same balanced flavor while making enough drinks for a crowd. Ultimately, the Cosmopolitan Pitcher is about simplicity, balance, and presentation. With fresh citrus, proper measurements, and a well-chilled mixture, this cocktail becomes a refreshing centerpiece for any gathering. And when served ice cold with a signature cranberry glow, it's easy to see why the Cosmopolitan has remained a classic for so many years. And there you have it, a classic Cosmopolitan transformed into a simple, elegant pitcher cocktail that's perfect for sharing. With just a few ingredients and a little preparation, you can serve a cocktail that looks beautiful, tastes refreshing, and brings a little bit of classic cocktail bar sophistication right to your table. What makes the Cosmopolitan so special is its balance. The clean vodka base, the subtle orange sweetness, the bright citrus from the fresh lime juice, and the tart fruitiness of the cranberry all come together in a way that feels light, smooth, and incredibly refreshing. It's a cocktail that manages to both be bold and delicate at the same time. By making it in a pitcher, you take away the stress of mixing drinks one at a time and replacing it with something much more relaxed. Your guests can enjoy the same perfectly balanced cocktail, and you can spend more time enjoying the evening rather than standing behind the bar. This pitcher version is especially great for dinner parties, holiday gatherings, celebrations, or any evening where you want something just a little more polished without adding extra work. The vibrant color makes a beautiful centerpiece on the table, and the fresh citrus aroma adds the final touch of elegance when each glass is garnished and served. One of the best parts of this recipe is how flexible it is. You can mix the pitcher ahead of time and keep it chilled until the guests arrived, or you can refresh it later with fresh ice and a quick stir to bring the flavors back together. Either way, the result is a drink that remains crisp, balanced, and ready to pour whenever the moment calls for it. Cocktails like the Cosmopolitan have stood the test of time for a reason. They are simple, reliable, and consistently enjoyable. When the ingredients are fresh and the balance is right, you get a drink that feels timeless and effortless. So the next time you're planning a gathering or just want to enjoy a classic cocktail with friends, this Cosmopolitan Pitcher is a perfect choice. It's bright, refreshing, and always a crowd favorite. Thank you for spending time with me at the bar today. And as always, happy cooking, happy mixing, and thanks for watching Cooking with Rod.